Welcome. In this session, I will guide you through 3 exercises that work together to reprogram the mind for better decisions, health, and emotional balance through movement, breath, and awareness. These are best done in the morning, though they also work well as a midday reset, after lunch, or in the afternoon. Just keep in mind they are not ideal for winding down before sleep. Some of these will elevate your heart rate and sharpen your alertness. You can follow all these exercises in order, or if you shorten time, pick just one. There's no strict rule here, and these are just 3 from a much larger repertoire. If you want more, just let me know. Now, let's begin. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Let your arms hang relaxed at your sides. We will start with a simple movement. Inhale through your nose and slowly lift your arms upwards, palms facing up, until your hands reach about chin height. Then turn your palms downward and exhale through your nose as you slowly lower your arms back to the starting position. As you move, direct your attention to your lower belly. On the inhale, imagine you're gathering energy there, saturating that area with awareness. On the exhale, feel that energy traveling through your whole body, from your belly outward, down through your legs to your feet, and up through your torso, arms, and fingers. Try to let the movement and the breath become one thing. Don't rush the breath to keep up with the arms, or the arms to keep up with the breath. Find a shared rhythm, slow and calm. On your next inhale, extend the movement. Lift your arms all the way overhead, palms turning upwards as if you would lift the heavens. Then slowly reverse and descend. Same pace, same breath. Try not to speed up. Now, on the next exhale, extend even further. Continue the motion and slowly fold forward, rolling down vertebra by vertebra until your hands reach towards your toes. Your knees can stay slightly bent. This isn't about flexibility, it's about the movement. As the movement lengthens, the breath lengthens with it. You may feel a slight discomfort from the slow pace. That's okay. If the urge to breathe gets too uncomfortable, feel free to adjust the speed. Now slowly come back. Take one final breath. Return to normal standing and bow. Let that bow be the moment of centering yourself, a quiet acknowledgement before we move on. Stand about 2 shoulder widths apart. Lower yourself down into the horse stance, knees pushing outwards, tracking directly above your toes. Hold your arms in front of you at your shoulder height, palms facing forward, elbows slightly bent. Now inhale through your nose and draw your arms back towards your lower ribs. Exhale through your nose and press your arms forward, returning to the starting position of your arms. As before, use the breath as an anchor for your mind. Inhale, collect your awareness at your lower belly and saturate it. Exhale and let that awareness spread outwards through your arms, your hands, your fingers, and simultaneously down through your legs and feet. The longer you hold this stance, the more demanding this becomes. Your legs will start to burn, your mind will want to bend or quit. That's exactly the point. The goal is to keep your mind and your posture strong together all the way to the end. Now slowly stand up and take one final breath and bend and bow again to center yourself. Step your feet just slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Now turn your knees and toes inward and let yourself drop down until the structure of your legs holds you in place. Keep your upper body upright and relaxed. Lift your arms in front of you to the shoulder height. Elbows gently bent, palms tilted towards you. Imagine you're holding a large tree trunk or a balloon resting in the space between your arms and your chest. When you inhale, feel that balloon expanding There's a subtle pressure building in the space between your arms and your torso. You don't move your arms outward. It's more like an inner sensation, like the space itself is filling up. When you exhale, feel that space contract, a gentle pull inward, as if the balloon is softly deflating. No visible movement from the outside, just quiet internal awareness. If you feel the burn in your shoulder, just anchor yourself more into the sensation of the balloon expanding and deflating. Hold the stance, stay with the breath, stay with the space. Now slowly come back to a normal standing position. Take one final breath and bend and bow, and coming back to a centering position. Now that you have finished all three exercises, take a moment to stand still. Let your breath return to normal. Notice how your body feels. This kind of practice, movement, breath, and mind, working as one, is what builds the foundation for clearer thinking and better decisions. Keep practicing, and you will notice that your interoceptive awareness will increase. You will be calmer throughout the day and more in control. So, thanks for joining me today, and see you next time. Bye.